In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Pinterest. Logging out is a simple way to protect your account, especially if you're on a shared or public device, or if you manage multiple accounts and want a clean switch. I'll walk you through the process on the Pinterest website, and I'll share a few quick tips so you know what to expect. First, open your web browser and go to Pinterest.com. When the page loads, you should see your personalized home feed if you're currently signed in. That's your cue that you're in the right place to log out. If you're not signed in, there's nothing to log out of, and you'll see prompts to log in or create an account instead. Next, head to the top right corner of the page. Look for your profile area. This is typically your profile picture, a small avatar, or a circular icon. Clicking this opens your account menu. On some screens, you might see a small arrow or a menu icon there. The key is to open the drop-down account menu in that corner. If your window is zoomed in, you may need to scroll a bit horizontally or reduce the zoom slightly to see the icon clearly. Once that menu is open, look for the option labeled Log Out. It's usually near the bottom of the list and might appear as Log Out or Sign Out depending on your region. Click it. If Pinterest asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm. After a moment, you'll be signed out and taken to a page where you'll see options to log in again or continue browsing without a personalized feed. To double check that the logout worked, look for the login button or the prompt to sign in on the page. If you don't see your profile photo or your home feed anymore, you're signed out successfully. A couple of helpful tips before we wrap up. If you use Pinterest on a shared computer, logging out after every session is a good habit. If you plan to switch accounts frequently, logging out is the cleanest way to ensure you start fresh. And if you're using the Pinterest app on your phone or tablet, the idea is the same. Open your profile area and look for the log out option in the account menu. The exact placement can vary slightly, but it's always within your profile or account settings menu. That's it. Quick, clear, and secure. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to log out of Pinterest whenever you need to.